Hello, smart and lovely investors. I am right here in Amen Estate Phase 3 to give you a site update here. And I want to say congratulations to as many that keyed in before now. Yes, because the price has increased. Yes, you did well for yourself. Yes, I haven't bought into Amen Estate Phase 3 right from when we started the sale, and now the price has increased and it will continue to increase. It will not stop increasing. All right, so here is Amen Estate Phase 3. Work is seriously going on. People that bought into this estate, some of them have started building. Yes, this building right here is inside Amen Estate Phase 3, and it's a 3-bedroom duplex. You can see the height of the foundation. So this is one here, this is one at the back, and we have one down there. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so let me just show you. So that is it down there. So I know a lot of you have collected your allocation, and a lot of you are still expecting your fiscal allocation. Yes, so however it is, this is the update. Yes, just want to show you what is going on here. You can see the fence, you can see the gatehouse, and you can see that it's along the road. Yes, so our 300 square meter here is selling at the rate of 18 million naira. Yes, 300 square meters, 18 million naira, outright payment payable within 30 days. Yes, just 30 days. Yes, we have 6-month payment, which is 18,900,000. Oh yeah, so that's a 5% interest on 18 million naira. Then we also have 12-month payment. Yes, if you feel that 6 months is small, you want a longer payment plan. So 12 months is here for you. Yes, so it attracts 10% interest. Yes, so 10% interest for 12 months, which is 19,800,000 naira only. Yes, so if you want to buy into 300 square meters with an initial deposit of 3 million naira only, you can actually get started. Yes, for 300 square meters. All right, so you choose either to pay within 30 days interest free, or you pay within 6 months, which attracts 5% interest, or you pay within 12 months, which attracts 10% interest. And you're not going to pay any other fee. It's all inclusive. It includes your deed of assignment, it includes your survey, it includes the development fee. Oh yes. All right, so if it is the 500 square meter that you want to go for, at the moment we are selling it at the rate of 29 million naira. Yeah, so 29 million naira outright payment payable within 30 days. 30 days, no interest. If you want to go for a 6-month payment plan here in Amen Estate Phase 3, it attracts 5% interest, which is 30,450,000 naira only. Yes, if you want to go for a 12 months payment, it attracts 10% interest, which is 31,900,000. Oh yes, so with an initial deposit of 5 million naira. Oh yes, so 5 million naira initial deposit, you can own 500 square meter land here. So you can choose either you want to go for the outright payment as you pay it within 30 days without interest, or you choose the 6-month payment, which attracts 5% interest, or you go for the 12 months, which attracts 10% interest. So it is all inclusive, like I said. So the 300 square meter is all inclusive, the 500 square meter is all inclusive. Oh yes, so your land, your deed of assignment, your survey, your development fee, all inclusive. So like I said, 300 square meter right here is selling at the rate of 18 million naira, while 500 square meter land here goes for 29 million naira. You can see this foundation. You can see the height. You can see the height of the foundation right here. You can see this other one here. So like I said, it's a 3-bedroom fully detached duplex. So you can see the other one here. So this is a site update here in Amen Estate Phase 3. If you are yet to key in into what we are doing here, please, this is the time to actually do so. Amen Estate is right on the express. Yes, it is on the express. It's on the express. So that's the fence. We have done the fence round. We have done the fence round and round and round. Yes, you say you are seeing water. Oh yes, it's just because there's no drainage. You know, the rain has been falling heavily, so there's no way for the water to pass, to go out. Yes, so that is why you can see water here, but it's not a waterlogged land. Yes, so if you are yet to key in, please do so now before the price increases again. Yes, so before the price increases again, the best time for you to buy into Amen Estate Phase 3 is now. So please just give me a call. Let me help you get started in owning one or more plots here in Amen Estate Phase 3. Amen Estate Phase 3 is just adjacent the proposed, the new international airport. Yes, it's adjacent. Yes, so just so that you are well positioned. Yes, when you key into Amen Estate Phase 3, just be rest assured that you are well positioned here. All right, so I expect to hear from you. If you are new on this channel, oh my God, please at this point just subscribe. Oh yes, so just subscribe so that whenever I post a video, you're going to get the notification. All right, I'll expect to hear from you. Please call me. Yeah, call me. I expect to hear from you. All right, bye. God bless you. So I'm heading towards the gate. We have Occupancy City beside Amen Estate Phase 3. So walking towards the gate. So I'll show you that it is on the road. I know you know it's on the road. I'll show you again. The other night I came, we had to display the water fountain. So here is the water fountain in Amen Estate Phase 3. And look at the beautification. Let's see how we have beautified outside. Yes. So this is Amen Estate Phase 3, just on the road. So this is Lekki Ekpe Express. Lekki Ekpe Express. This is Lekki Ekpe Express. All right. So give me a call. Give me a call to buy one or more plots right here in Amen Estate Phase 3. All right. So going to Tiara now. Catch ya!